Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a brand new boat we have available. This is a 2024 Scout 255 Dorado. Starting off with the boat's exterior, classic Scout white hull with a midnight blue boot stripe, beautiful clean lines, great running surface on this boat as well. We've got SeaDeck on the swim platforms, both port and starboard. This boat is powered by twin V6 200 horsepower Mercury 4-strokes in the matching Scout white. We have both raw and freshwater connections in the splash swell at the transom, along with a block-off door as you enter and exit the cockpit. And you can see we've got the ski pylon as well. So this is a great boat whether you want to fish the cockpit, entertain, cruise, or actually do some water sports. And now we'll take you inside. So now that we're in the cockpit on the 255 Dorado from Scout Boats, huge cockpit area that's very versatile. So if you want to fish this boat, you've got a ton of open real estate to do that and maneuver around easily. Bolsters throughout the cockpit on both sides and at the stern. You have undergunnel rod storage on the starboard side, which is also great for storing deck brushes and boat hooks. My live well is here to the port side. Plenty of rod holders and cup holders along the back. You also have tackle storage as you walk in, just below that cockpit door. So you've got the drain grates for the scupper drains. And then we have a stern seat that easily deploys, comfortably seats two. It stows away nice and clean. Ski pole is located here, which you can also remove. Easy access to the boat's bilge area. Everything is nice and finished. You got some good space for storage if you want to utilize it that way as well. Over on the port side, we have another fold-out bench seat, which you can actually also use as a lounge. So this port side aft-facing seat has a lounger that's powered by the push of this button here. It retracts further out, and you can actually extend it all the way to this bench area and create one long lounge. Coming over to the starboard side, we have a wet bar sink, cutting board, another prep area here, and then a slide out 35 quart Yeti, along with tackle or cutlery storage that's on a soft close. Great helm area on this boat. So whether you are seated or standing, very comfortable setup here. You've got a upgraded Edson steering wheel with a rubber back and a steering knob that's on a tilt base. Got great visibility with a nice high windshield. High backrest, armrest that comes down. And if I want to create this to more of a leaning post, I can do that as well. I've got plenty of floor space, angled footrest here, so I can sit up on top of this bolster, or I can lean against it, and I can still operate the boat very comfortably. We've got a battery charger plug in here, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury V6 200s, 10-inch Garmin at the helm, Fusion Bluetooth stereo remote. My ignitions are conveniently located here. Got a lockable glove box with charging ports, cup holder, got switches for all of my lights and pumps on board, and then we have digital start and stops as well in addition to those engine keys. Coming up to the hardtop, big oversized hardtop that's very well lit with overhead lighting. We've also got a stainless steel grab rail right here, so if you're making your way to the front or the back, you can do so safely. To the port side, you got the same setup as you do at the helm. It's just wider, so it creates a double seat. So two passengers can easily and comfortably sit here, hold down armrest as well. Also underneath the helm seat, we have a tilt-out trash receptacle. So the head area currently has a cockpit table that's stowed underneath. So you can mount this nice faux teak cockpit table in the cockpit. And then we've also got all of the canvas stowed underneath here. We have a freshwater sink, mirror, porcelain toilet with pump out head. And this also makes for a great storage area. We do have the ability to close off the bow from the cockpit area with this block off door and the windshield. Great storage here behind the starboard console and under the helm. That's where our battery switches are located, all of our electrical. Everything's finished out and polished. You've also got a lot of headroom here, so it makes a great storage area for taller items like beach chairs, or a good way to keep your life jackets organized. We have the filler cushion in place on this boat, which makes this one big sun pad area. If you wanted to remove this, it easily removes from the chocks and opens up this space. We have armrests that fold down, similar to what we saw at the helm area, but it's a very deep bow. This is the Heritage Tan Ultra Vinyl, so super soft upholstery. It's also nice and cool in the sun. We have rod holder, cup holder receivers, great for holding a rod, cup, and a bow sunshade, which you can connect to the hardtop. Remote controlled anchor windlass with your controls in the foredeck, in addition to what you have back at the helm. Nice through the stem, nice and clean look. And that is a walkthrough of this Scout 255 Dorado. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, right off Daniel Island. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.